In this video, I'll show you how you can change your name on your computer on Windows 10. Now, first step is you want to come down here and search for About. Then you can open up the system settings, which says About your PC. Now from in here, you'll be able to see your device specifications. And what you want to do is simply press on Rename this PC. Now when I click on this, they'll open up this box that you can see your current PC name, desktop, and then some numbers. What you can do is you can just write your new PC name, and that can be anything from a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. Now once you've done it and you press next, it will ask you to restart your PC. And after you've restarted your PC, you will now have renamed your PC. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.